In this video, we will learn about expansion using the algebraic identities. Well, in our I-GCSE and O-levels, we're having three identities. The very first one is a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, how can we use this identity to expand our questions? In the first question, we're having x plus 3 whole squared. So I know that I'm having two terms inside the bracket and there is a plus in between. So it means that I can easily use this identity to expand my question. Now, specifically in this case, my first term will become a and my second term will become b. Now, what I will gonna write? I'm gonna write the right side of the identity, which is a squared. So my a is x in this case. So I will write x squared plus, then I'm having b squared, which is my b is 3 squared plus 2, a is x and b is 3. Now, this would be x squared plus 9 plus 6x. Now, I need to follow the sequence. It should be x squared plus 6x plus 9, because this would be my answer. For the second question, my a is 2x and my b is 7. So I'll go by the same method. So I will write 2x squared, which is a squared, plus my b is 7. So I'll write 7 squared plus 2. My a is 2x and my b is 7. Now, 2x whole squared is basically 4x squared plus 7 squared, which is 749, sorry. And this would be 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 7 is 28. 28x. Now, for the sequence, I would write 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answers, press play. These are the answers. Now, we are having the second identity. There's only one difference in the first and the second identity. In the second identity, we are having a negative sign in between. And to the right-hand side, we're having only the negative sign with 2ab. Now, we will expand our first question by using this identity. So my first question, the a will become 6 and b will become x. And there is a negative sign in between. So I'll use this identity. So I will write a squared, which is my 6 squared, plus b squared, which is x squared, minus 2ab. So 6 squared is 36, x squared is x squared, and this would be negative 12x. So it should be x squared negative 12x plus 36. This would be my answer. Now, for the second question, my a is 4x and my b is 3y. So the a squared plus b squared minus 2. My a is 4x and b is 3y. Now it would be 16x squared plus 9y squared. 2 4s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So it would be negative 24xy. So it would be 16x squared, minus 24xy plus 9y squared. This would be my answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answer, press play. These are the answers. Now, the last identity, which is called the third identity. When we're having a plus b, and then it is multiplied with a minus b, then the answer will be a squared minus b squared. So we will apply this identity to expand our questions. Now see here, my A is in both of the bracket, I'm having A as X, and my B in both of the bracket, they are 2. So what I'm going to write the right side of my identity, which is A squared. So my A was X minus B squared, which was 2 squared. So this X squared minus 4. This is my answer. For the second question, my A is 3X and my B is 2Y. So I'm going to write the right side of the identity, which was A squared. So my A is 3X here minus B squared. So it's 9X squared minus 4Y squared. So this is our answer. These are the practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready with your answer, press play. These are the answers. Well, in the second question, be aware that negative 2x will be my A. The whole of the first term with the sign will be my A. So negative 2x whole squared is basically negative 1, and then I'm writing 2, and then I'm writing x. So if we are squaring it separately, negative 1 squared is basically 1. 2 squared is 4, and x squared is x squared. So 1 4 is a 4 and x squared. So that's why I have written 4x squared.